Hi everyone, my name is Chris. I'm a home coffee enthusiast, and today we will talk about the Jura E6 fully automatic espresso machine. Let us now talk about the different features of the Jura E6. The Jura E6 has the P.E.P, or the pulse extraction process. This was developed by Jura to optimize the extraction time of your espresso. The Jura E6 has the Aroma Plus grinder as well. This is the most quietest grinder in the bean-to-cup market today. The hopper uses a vacuum-sealed cover. It makes the coffee beans always fresh. This is also the water tank. The water tank is about 2 liters and has the IWS technology, or the intelligent water system. If you're using Clarice, it connects via RFID wirelessly. The Jura E6 uses fine foam technology. Whether you're making a latte, a flat white cappuccino, or hot chocolate, we all know that the texture needs to be different for each type of drink. The spout can also be lower depending on the height of the cup that you're using. So this is really a good feature. Let's now look at the different types of coffee that the Jura E6 can make. So first off, it can make an espresso, it can make coffee, cappuccino, or those milk-based drink. This is the program button, so it has 4 menus about cleaning the system, how to rinse the coffee system, and the expert mode. This is one of my favorites because you can adjust the espresso or the coffee volume and temperature. Alright, let's see Jura E6 in action by making 2 shots of espresso. I showed you last time that the spout can be lower down, right? So this is perfect if you're using an espresso cup. So press espresso. It's now heating up. The volume is 2 ounces. You can actually adjust this depending on what you want, 1 ounce or 2 to 2.5 ounces. All done. Delicious. I've been using the Jura E6 for the past few weeks and I would like to share with you my personal experience. I like that this coffee can make good espresso or long coffee in just a push of a button. I like that the grinder is one of the most fastest in the market today. I also like that the hopper has the vacuum sealed cover. The intelligent water system is also a plus. The spout that can be adjusted depending on the height of the cup is really useful. It comes with the Bluetooth technology as well, so meaning that with the attachment, it's sold separately. You can connect your phone or your tablet in controlling the espresso machine. Some things to note are, the milk, sometimes it's not that hot, which is very common for automatic espresso machines. The price might also be a concern for some. Overall, I like this machine and I'm definitely recommending it if you're in the market for fully automatic machines.